The Kärcher K1700 Pressure Washer is a compact and efficient electric cleaning machine designed for homeowners who need reliable performance for everyday outdoor tasks. With user-friendly features, stable operation, and versatile cleaning options, it's ideal for cars, patios, driveways, and siding. Integrated detergent tank for deep cleaning. A built-in 0.5-gallon detergent tank allows you to apply soap directly while cleaning. This helps break down stubborn dirt and enhances cleaning performance for cars, siding, and heavily soiled surfaces. Compact design with easy mobility. Designed for convenience, the unit includes never flat wheels and a lightweight frame, making it easy to move around your home. Its compact size also makes storage simple, even in small spaces. Quick setup and tool-free assembly. The K1700 is designed for fast setup and can be assembled in just a few minutes without tools, making it beginner-friendly and hassle-free to start using. Durable build with trusted brand quality, built by Kärcher, a globally recognized leader in cleaning equipment. The K1700 is designed for durability and long-term use, backed by a solid warranty and reliable engineering. The Kärcher K1700 is a practical, easy-to-use, and versatile pressure washer that delivers solid performance for everyday home cleaning. It's an excellent choice for users who want a compact, reliable, and efficient solution for maintaining outdoor spaces without going into heavy-duty equipment.